Hi, let's go ahead and make a private story in Snapchat. First, we need to open the Snapchat application. Go to your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. Click New Story. Select New Private Story. Choose a few of your friends you want to include in your private story, then tap Create Story. Type in a name for your private story, then save. Go back to your camera and snap a beautiful picture. Click Story at the bottom corner of your screen, then select your private story. To check your story, you can go back to your profile and tap your story. At the upper left corner, we can see that there is a lock below your profile, a different one if a story is on public. And that's how we make a private story in Snapchat.